Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, today we will start a new chapter, that is Raising Scorpio. Now before starting the chapter, let's first discuss about the author, a few things about the author of this chapter. Now this chapter is written by an author named Gerald Durrell. Now Gerald Durrell is also known as Gary, and his full name is Gerald Malcolm Durrell, and the his date of birth is 1925 till 1995. So he was one of the English naturalist की तरह हम इनको जानते हैं, and also a zookeeper, conservationist, author and television presenter. Now he was very fond of nature, especially he was very fond of animals, you can say. Okay, now he was born in Jamshedpur, India, and he developed a passion for observing and studying animals and insect life after a visit to a local zoo. So that was his passion, to observe, to watch animals, to watch insects growing, to watch each and every moment. So he was very much passionate about all these things. So, what happened after that? His family, after the death of his father, you can say in 1928, his family moved to England and then to the Greek island of Corfu in 1935. And there in Corfu, you can say, okay, that was one of the that is one of the Greek islands. So there he began to collect and keep the local fauna as his pets. As you all know, he was very fond of these animals. So there he started his ambition. So he started he keeping the local fauna as his pets. In his famous book My Family and Other Animals, and its sequels Birds, Beasts and Relatives and the Garden of the God, he recounts his childhood in Corfu. So these are the famous work, you can say, that was written by this author. Okay, so there in that book he has described his growing passion for animals and insect, and as well as has poking gentle fun at his family members also. So his humorous style of writing made his book very popular, especially My Family and Other Animals, which was even made into a television serial. So this was one of his famous work, you can say. And in this story, that is your Raising Scorpion, you can say this is one of the extract from his autobiographical novel only. So this is a part of that, where you will when you will study this, when you will read the story, you will find it very interesting, humorous and full of fun. So this is all about the author of the chapter Raising Scorpion. Now next lecture we'll be starting the explanation of the chapter. So thank you everybody.